This is my 16th scale Traxxas Slash 4x4. I've had this truck for about 3 years now, but it's still got the original motor in it, and it's finally dying. So I just got a brand new one. Now this is not another Traxxas Titan motor. This one's like 15 bucks on Amazon. It's, yeah, I've seen it around a few times. Apparently it's a good one. It gets really good reviews on Amazon. So we're gonna try it out, and hopefully it works. So we got the motor in, and I got the gears meshed up pretty well. It's all set, looks amazing, looks so nice and clean now. So now we're on to the next thing, which is fixing up this connector here. A while ago, this wire pulled out of the connector when I was just disconnecting the batteries. I grabbed too much of the wire and just yanked it right off. So I have to somehow solder that back on. I have a soldering iron around somewhere. I actually have to find it yet. I have not touched that thing in like a year at least, so this might be interesting. You guys can all roast my soldering abilities in the comments. That's what I'm gonna do next, and then we can take it outside and see if it actually runs. There we go, I got this soldered back on, and I threw some electrical tape over it, partially because I don't trust my soldering, and also partially because it looks terrible and this looks a little bit better. So now we just gotta put this back together, hook up these wires, and then take it outside. Now we can plug it in and see if it works. The transmitter's on, car on. So the connector works, that's good. Now, does the motor work? It works, let's go! Okay, we're here at the skate park. Landon brought his mini Slash along too. We're just gonna do some ripping around here and have some fun. Here we go. Oh. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh no. I got it. We're good. Oh man. Hey. Okay.
Dude, you grinded it there. That was cool. Oh, I couldn't get the full jump. Doesn't it? Perfect. Yeah, that was sweet. Can you like turn backwards?